Congratulations, hats off to you. Anyone that held Bitcoin in 2023, it was the outperforming asset within the crypto market. It's now 2024. When are we expecting alt season? And when we do expect alt season, how is Cardano going to perform? And to find out when we expect a reversal, we need to go macro. That means zooming out to the weekly time frame. So we've got the weekly time frame, and I've got my weekly resistance and support bands built in. The support bands are in green, the resistance are in red. So we need to break through the resistance, flip that green, and then continue to the upside. The major levels that I'm looking out for on the weekly time frame is the 38.2% retracement. Now, this is an important level because a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of altcoins have come back and they've tested their 38.2% retracement. Cardano has still got a little bit to go. So that means that the rest of the market's front running Cardano. And what we'll do is we'll look at the total market cap a little bit later to find out how much wiggle room that Cardano's got to move to the upside. So the 38.2% retracement, the big retracement level that we're looking to resist or we're looking to test, is sitting at $1.33. So that's the weekly. We've got our support and resistance bands built in. One positive on the weekly is we've got price action crossing above the 50 period moving average, and we're starting to get a crossover between the 50 and the 20. So that's positive because price action is above that. So what we're going to do is zoom into the daily before we look at total 3. What is it that we need to beat to get through the next resistance level, and where is price likely to move once it does pass the next resistance level? We've got here the next resistance sitting at $1.07. We've got this level 1 boss here, which is sitting at a weekly resistance between 60 and 68 cents. This is the guy that we need to beat before we can come and test this next resistance band. So what we want is we want our bull to come through, break through. He's broken through one resistance level. That's now flipped support. Now, that's flip support. You've got the 200 daily moving average moving under the bottom. Remember the traffic light system. We want the green at the bottom in a bullish trend. We want the yellow in the middle, and we want the red at the top. So price action's pulled back below the 20 moving average. It's tested our weekly support. It's bounced off that. It's moved back above the 20 moving average, and now it's hovering around there. It's slightly above, and we need it to hold that level. So what we want is the bull to come back, test this bear, the resistance level, which is sitting at between 60 and 68 cents, take him out, get rid of him, and we want this to flip green. So there's lots of things that can happen for this to flip green. There's lots of things, and I'm going to show you the total 3 chart. Hasn't happened yet. That's what we're trying to do. That's the aim, and then we can go back and test the next resistance level, which is sitting at even higher levels. So how do we know that Cardano is lagging the rest of the market? We can look at total 3. And on total 3, this is exactly what we wanted to happen. We wanted the price to pull back, test this support band. This is acting as strong support, and you can tell that's because it acted as resistance there. We've taken out the high, we've closed above it, we've tested resistance level, and now look at this. From where price action sits now, it's a move to 25.7% to its 382 retracement on the total 3. Doesn't seem much, but as far as volume's concerned, as far as monetary amounts concerned, that's 123 billion into the crypto market, and that excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that would cause an alt season. Expect a pullback in Bitcoin, a healthy pullback in Bitcoin, and then expect the dominance to continue coming down, and that means that the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin to the upside. So that's something that we're going to monitor going forward. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Cardano, 60 to 68 cents is the next resistance point. And what we can do is we can go into the shorter time frame, if you're trading this in the shorter time frame, and look at how this break is performing. Got the break, you've got the retest. It's retesting, it's holding, and you're likely to go and test the top. Where are you wrong? This is a good area for where you're wrong. 200 4-hour moving average. Stop loss is below there. And then you've also got your weekly resistance to fall back on. So if price falls back into trend, this is likely to act as strong resistance for you. This resistance band sitting at 44 cents to 50 cents. And that's what I'm looking for on Cardano. So I want to try and make this as simple as possible on this channel during 2024. You're going to educate yourself, and I'm going to start with the basics. So anyone that doesn't understand how to read a price chart, anyone that doesn't understand how you can tell if a candlestick's bullish or bearish, check out this video. It'll tell you step by step in basic terms, and then you'll have a greater understanding in the next video. Take care. Goodbye from me.